In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a briefing document in NotebookLM. If you've ever needed a clean, executive-ready overview of a topic pulled straight from your research, this walkthrough will make that process simple and repeatable. Start by opening NotebookLM in your browser. Head to notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, open the notebook that already contains your sources, things like PDFs, Google Docs, and links. This step matters because the quality of your briefing depends on the materials inside that notebook. Think of the notebook as your curated research folder. The AI will rely on what's there, so it's best if your sources are relevant, up-to-date, and clearly named. With your notebook open, look to the sidebar, typically on the right. You're aiming for the section where NotebookLM groups generated outputs. Depending on your interface, you might see it labeled as Studio, Reports, or something like Create Your Own. The naming can vary, but the idea is the same. This is the workspace where you choose what the AI should produce from your sources. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the sidebar or scrolling. It's usually close by once you're within a notebook. Next, find the briefing document option. It may be listed on its own or nested under a reports menu alongside other outputs like flashcards, study guides, FAQs, or timelines. Selecting briefing document tells NotebookLM you want a concise, professional summary rather than study aids or timelines, so make sure you pick the item that explicitly says briefing document. Click briefing document to start the generation. There's nothing else you need to configure at this stage. NotebookLM will take it from here and begin analyzing the sources in your notebook. Depending on the size and number of files, this can take a moment. It's normal for longer or more complex notebooks to need a bit more time. When it finishes, you'll have a structured briefing built from your materials. Expect an executive summary that quickly captures the big picture, followed by clearly framed key themes and insights that reveal patterns across your sources. You'll also see important facts and conclusions, each grounded in the underlying content, so you can trace statements back to their origin. The result is a focused, ready-to-use document that helps you get briefed fast, perfect for meetings, stakeholder updates, or getting a new teammate up to speed. And that's all it takes to create a briefing document in NotebookLM, starting from your own sources and ending with a polished, insight-rich overview.